Hi guys, this is Kelly, and as you guys can see, I have like half done makeup. I have my base on, but today I want to try out all these products with you guys, and this is the brand called UNNY or UNNY. It's a Korean brand that is recently launched at LASH SG, and you guys can see it on their website. I'll link it down below, and they have all these really cute triple shadows and then BROWCARA as well as a few lip sticks for me to try out, so I'm very excited. Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna start off with my eyebrows because my eyebrows look really bare. So this UNNY Club Eyebrow Mascara, I have it in 02 Dark Brown. I love the fonts on the packaging, it looks like NARS. The Brow Mascara in Dark Brown 02. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and just do up my eyebrows. Oh, I actually added some kind of color to my eyebrows. And it's actually pretty easy to use also. I like it that it's not too wet, not too liquidy. So it's actually pretty easy to maneuver. So as you guys can see, my eyebrow is done. This one side is definitely so much more defined than the other. And the color is great as well, it's not too dark. And yeah, very easy and convenient. Okay. I really like the eyebrow mascara, it's very easy to wear, and then I like the color as well, although this can look a little bit too bold on me. Next up, I'm gonna try out this triple shadow. It's the one in number 12. It's a really cute color, it's a summer color. Pretty cute. And then it has 3 colors. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. So this is the color payoff. Okay, I'll start off with my base. So I'm just gonna start off with the top color. Then okay, and then second color is the orange. And the third one is this reddish color. A very simple eye look with one of this. It's amazing how like the color is coming through, and then I just like the little hint of redness here. Okay, I'm done. Okay. And then we're going in with the lippies. Okay, so I have here the Kiss Lip Tattoo and 2 of the black square lipstick. And one is in 01 and one is in M04. This is lipsticks, black square lipsticks. And then this is in the Tattoo Lip, Kiss Lip Tattoo. And then this one is in M05. Okay, I'll try out this 2 first. Okay, I'll try out this M04. One in M01. in M05. So I've come to an end of this video and I've completed this look using all UNNY Beauty's products and I really love them, especially the kiss lip tattoo. This was amazing. It looks like a very nice subtle velvety finish and the color of it is amazing. This is in M05, remember guys, it's so nice, and the texture of it is not sticky, it's kiss proof, and it's also very velvety. It actually do have a little bit of like oil infused in it. I don't know why, and it's so moisturizing. I love the application of this, and then this little eyeshadow thingy, it's amazing as well. I completed my eye makeup look just using this and it just gives me a more like versatile look. Sometimes if you don't want to add the red pigment on, you can just put on the orangey color and it completes the eye makeup look already. So yeah, I really enjoyed all this stuff from UNNY, and especially the eyebrow mascara as well. I think if I had the choice, I probably would go a little bit lighter. Other than that, it's fine. So yeah, I enjoyed all these things and you guys can get it at Lacey's SG, and I'll just leave their handle down below as well as their website so you guys can go buy it from there. If you guys like this video, remember to like, subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!